follow us for our Foodventure today. I'm going to take you on a collaboration that I have with Dal Moro'S. Let's put it right here. Cool is that they're going to give us a full course meal and a complimentary dessert. I'm always down for dessert. And they're going to get us to flip a box. So the concept is like having pasta in a box that they're selling. And this is going to be the 4th year anniversary, so I'm super excited. This is downtown Toronto, and here we go. Woo! Are you hungry?
Yes.
I went to the wrong location. So apparently it's not at Yonge Street, but it's actually at Food District in Mississauga. But however, they are so accommodating, and they're going to accommodate me for this event here. Next time, note to self, read the freaking description. Actually, it wasn't even on the description. They just said Food District, so it technically means it could be anywhere, right? So this is the pesto with sun-dried and mozzarella, I think. This one is the pomodoro with the mushroom and sun-dried. They also gave us tiramisu here. Homemade tiramisu, which is the original, and this is a Nutella. Of course, we got drinks. Yum!
How was your pasta?
Mine was okay. How was yours?
Mine was good.
His is really good.
Mine was a pesto.
Yeah.
And it was really good for takeout pasta.
Yeah.
Kind of fast food.
Like a pasta to go in the box.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
Mine was the pomodoro, and it was just kind of like basic tomato paste, which I think I could add some chili flakes in there to make it.
There's a few more things you could add to spice it up.
Yes, yes. So verdict, but the tiramisu was really good. I like the tiramisu, which we have. So now we're heading home. I'm gonna do a couple more of my promo work and then go from there.
Peace.
So that was kind of an eventful day, right? I'm still a little hungry, so I'm going to make banseo, which is already pre-cooked. I'm just gonna assemble it, and I'm gonna make Bubs a matcha latte. Paige, our friend, actually made us an amazing matcha latte. I think she put matcha, dates, peppermint with milk, and a little bit of maple syrup just to sweeten up the deal. It is absolutely delicious. If I can find the recipe, I will link it below and let you guys know exactly what she put in there. Yep, Paige makes it way better. Got some fish sauce right here. So good. Shout out to my mama. So that is all for our vlog today. We did quite a bit of stuff. Life isn't as exciting as it is or was before. I'm gonna be reading a book, maybe take a bath or watch some TV, just chill on the couch for a bit and decompose. If you like these type of videos, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow your girl. Make sure you comment on, what's a random question today? What is your favorite color? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.